Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to turn any photo into a 3D spatial lock screen on the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. So if you want to make the lock screen on your phone to turn it into a 3D photo, so it kind of moves as you move your phone, you can do that pretty easily. The first thing that we're going to do is go into the lock screen edit mode, and to do that we're going to first unlock our phone by using Face ID, like that. So, and once we are on the lock screen, we're going to hold on the lock screen to open up the lock screen editing mode. And then we can either select a already existing lock screen or create a new one by going to the right and tapping the plus icon. And here we're going to select one of the photos that we have on our phone. So I'm going to select this photo right here. I think this one will look pretty cool. And then what you can do is just easily press this little landscape icon on the bottom right to turn the photo into a spatial scene. And now, as you can see, as I move my phone, the lock screen inside also moves and it creates this 3D effect. So now, once you've selected everything that you want, just press Add on the top right, and then set as wallpaper pair or select anything that you want right here, and you're done. So now your lock screen is spatial like this. It looks 3D, looks pretty realistic, and that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.